Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect or share your internet from your iPhone to your PC via USB cable. First of all, you have to make sure that you have to connect your iPhone via USB cable, and you have to make sure that USB cable must be original from Apple. Once you connect your PC with your iPhone via USB cable, all you have to do is open the search or click on the Windows button and then type run and hit enter. Now type control on the search. Hit enter once again. Your control panel will open. Click on network and internet. Select network and sharing center. And then you have to select change adapter settings. From here you will be able to see your iPhone on the list. All you have to do is click on your iPhone and select your device. Once selected, your internet connection or your internet sharing will be turned on from your iPhone to your PC, as you can see on this section. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.